Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey. Today, guys, I am checking out a new battery that was batteries that were sent to me from a new battery company out there called GoldBat. These are the 1300 milliamp 100C, and these are what they look like up close on the side. The other one. There you go. And each one is pretty much the same. They come with the balance lead protector on it automatically, so you don't have to install that, which is pretty nice. And I did grab some other batteries so we can take a look at different sizes. So here's a RDQ 1300 milliamp 100C. So you can see this one is a little bit lighter, and I don't have a scale, so I can't tell you the exact weight of these, but these definitely are lighter to the feel, definitely for sure. Here's another battery, for example. This is a 1300. This is 80C, or it's not 80C, 75C, but this is a Tattoo battery. You can see similar size. The Tattoo is a little bit smaller. This is an older battery, but they're roughly about the same size. And then the last one I have, for example, is one of the new, there's an Ovonic battery, and you can see that they're right about the same size, basically. But even this one is definitely lighter. So I went ahead and took it out this last weekend here, and did some testing, did some freestyle with it. I'm going to leave a link at the top here for my good friend Jonathan, Imperious FPV. He did a great review on the race aspect of it, with going up against the CNHL batteries, and they outperformed the CNHL batteries. Definitely got a lot longer, and these are pretty inexpensive. They're not too bad, so you can get a whole set of these. So you get two of these, and they also come with two battery straps that have the company's logo on them. So that's kind of cool, and those run about 32 bucks, and I'll leave a link down for you guys in the description. And they come through Amazon, so if you're a Prime member, you can get these batteries in 2 days flat, usually depending on what day you order them. So they came extremely quick, and yeah, so I was very, very impressed with them. So we're going to go ahead and head out to the park, and I'll show you guys the footage, and I hope you enjoy.
Thank God I finally get some time away from the evil monkey in my closet.
So yeah, these definitely, for the price range that these are at, these GoldBats, I got to give it 2 thumbs up. They are really nice batteries for inexpensive. They do a great job. You get great punch outs with them. They're super light. So if you like these batteries, I will put a link down in the description for you. And as always, guys, if you like the video, if you like my reviews, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, guys. And in the meantime, guys, while you're waiting for the next video, let's keep those drones up in the air, flying high. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for hanging out. Have an awesome day.